Welcome, traders. Dr. Keith in for Rob. It is Monday, June 2nd, 2025. Hope you're doing well. All right, folks. So this morning in the WealthCharts live training room, we had a great time together. For those of you that haven't joined, again, come in, join me. It's Monday through Friday, depending on the day, either 8 a.m. or 9:30 Eastern. Okay. So with that, folks, you can see here that at the 9:30 open, which is right here, we started going higher. I've been teaching you all about the gap, right? Which basically means from Friday's close at 4 p.m. until the 9:30 open. This was the gap where I drew this black line here within WealthCharts. And the premise is that there's a bias to fill that. Not all the time. Again, I teach you that in the live training room within WealthCharts, but today was a good example how quickly it filled the gap and then it reversed at that level. So we taught about key levels. Now, as far as opportunities, I had a nice trade this morning in the WealthCharts live trading room. Once we got into a buy zone and a flat bottom here, okay, I was looking then to take that long, and we had the champion trend, the champion cross, Heiken-Ashi, everything in alignment that I like to see. And again, I got out at 7 ticks here on the S&P, folks. Others held longer. But again, basically it came back up to that gap level that you learned from here, then it reverted again. So it was a good solid trade in the WealthCharts live training room. Now also, folks, so here's crude on the 1 minute. So after the room was done, I was looking at opportunities here after 11:30, came back. You can see same type of setup. We were back to a buy zone here on the 1 minute chart on crude. Okay, flat bottom. Those can be entries for me. Again, nice solid trade here again on crude. That's the type of opportunities I love to look for, folks. And you can see here, we also had, just as we're talking here at current time, 12:30 Eastern, back to the upside. You can see we're bullish on the algorithm. Again, that's a critical component of my trading system. And again, you could still be in this opportunity at the time of this video. So if you want to learn more about that, folks, I'm going to hold a live training session on Wednesday. Okay, so on Wednesday, I'm going to hold a live training session. If you go to becomeabettertrader.com/yes. So becomeabettertrader.com/yes. Wednesday at 10 a.m. Eastern, I'm going to go in great detail. Also, folks, I'm going to be requesting another payout from Apex tonight, so I can give you the status on that as well going into Wednesday. But super excited, looking forward to submitting my payout request to Apex tonight. All right, folks, other than that, hope to see you Wednesday, 10 o'clock Eastern. Have a great rest of the day and take care. Bye now.